Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print multiple PDF pages per sheet using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now press Ctrl P from your keyboard, select printer option, or here you will find this printer option you can open. Also you can select this file option, this print option, click here. This printer dialog box now open. Selected printer here and now select all pages or specific page range, and this is multiple pages per sheet option. Click here. You can print 4 pages on sheet, or you can select 2 as horizontal or vertical and so on. You can say I'll select 2 pages per sheet. Now select OK and save as, and see this 2 pages now printed. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.